of the innings. What a start! Unbelievable! Wicket of the first ball.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a six.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is
More than 2 fielders outside the inner circle.
missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They're calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Slips in place. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
And he helps himself to a 6. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6.
Can he do it again?
It's nicely timed. Will only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. That's poor running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. Last ball of the innings coming up. Plays and misses.